and I don't want too much alcohol this time.
Why? I want
13% just this time.
Ah!
Hello, welcome back to German Brew. Today my wife is again here.
Hello again, everyone.
I think I just need to say when you're not here. Because you're in a lot of videos now.
Yeah.
Today, like promised, we make the Viking blood with a Cherry Nectar. My wife already have it. And for this we using one normal honey and a little bit of our special honey. It's the rest I have left over from the Towie and Parson mess, the modern version. And someone is crying.
So it says here it's 50% fruit. This is that. But what is Fruchtgehalt? Mindestens 50%.
50% fruit. You're right. You can German. So 50% cherry. The rest is water and sugar. Done. So cherry, water, sugar.
Last week we tried the Viking blood and I like it.
Yeah.
I
Here
really like it. I drink a lot of it. And that is?
I just cooked some bread yeast with cherry juice. So we have dead bread yeast for nutrients.
Why you need to cook it?
So they're dead.
Why you need to kill it?
Because if I don't kill it, they may be starting to ferment the wine and not our yeast we use today. Where is your bottle?
Here. We have fruit wine yeast.
From Alcomat.
So the dead yeast will be a food for this yeast? Ah,
yes.
okay.
We will see. The other yeast, the Mead yeast, really starting good fermenting, but I don't know how it...
So what we will put inside next?
Next...
We will use the 3?
No, just
okay.
2.5.
And it's already half?
Put it inside. That's full. Because now we have 2.5 liters. This one we just keep later. I bring everything, but did you know what I forget?
What?
A big spoon. To put the honey.
So now we will put the honey. 1 glass is 500 grams.
Yes. And this is the honey. I just want the honey flavor. It just tastes like honey. It don't have a special flavor. Smells like honey. It looks like honey, and
it's the honey from the grocery.
Yes, it's a cheap honey from the grocery. But for the flavor, it's this honey. So, and now I need a big spoon. Okay, big spoon. Let's see, you want to mix later?
It's not hard to mix. I just want to share, we was last Friday, it was Friday or Saturday? Thursday. Last time in Medieval Festival. And I try cherry wine that was
They call it cherry mead.
Cherry mead, and it's really delicious.
It just was mead mixed with 70% cherry juice. Not fermented, so they are finishing the mead and
then put cherry
making, stabilize it, and then they put cherry juice. It also just has 6%.
Maybe that's why I like, because it's just 6%.
Maybe you like, but you like the... What was better? Our Viking blood we make now? You tried the last time, or the cherry?
The cherry is like, it's just so mild, maybe because I like it. It's more sweeter. You can really taste the cherry wine. No, the cherry juice in it. The wine, that how it tastes last time, it's more like you can really feel the alcohol in it.
Of course, it's at 80%.
Yeah. That's the cherry I tasted last time. It's just like a sweet, like a juice. Okay, it has alcohol, but yes, as what I said, it's not really a lot of alcohol. It's also delicious and it just smells like cherry. The smell of the one I tried last week, it's more another smell because of course you can smell the alcohol in it. But the taste of the last time is more good, more nicer, more it's more a little I don't know how to explain it because I am good in explaining about it because of course I'm just new here and I really don't drink
It tastes
much.
like cherry juice.
Yeah, no, the last time it tastes like the the one in the Kirsch meat that I taste last time. It's more like a cherry juice because yeah, it's more sweeter. It's more cherry juice. But the one I have, I taste what we make last time for the meat tasting is more really like wine. More have an umph and I don't know, I really don't know how to explain because I'm just new and yeah.
Can you hold it? And I need a second spoon.
And that's why I'm happy that we make now the cherry wine because last week I almost drank the whole bottle of it and we just have one bottle. And I'm sad because it's only one bottle. How can I drink it again? Because of all the wine. That's what I like.
But also we just make one bottle the last time.
Yeah, we just make small. Now it's more. We can share it to others. Not just I will drink the whole the whole bottle.
Okay, I don't use everything because there's sugar already inside and I don't want too much alcohol this time.
Why? I want
13% just this time.
ah.
Not only, maybe you will like it more because
No.
so much alcohol flavor then.
Okay, the last time we tried for mid tasting is I think 18%. They like it.
That's
Okay,
why
the
I'm using
6% is also delicious, but it tastes like juice.
Yeah, that's why I like to use now 13%. Okay, my wife's starting. A little bit up. Perfect. So we're mixing the honey. I hope you can hear me. And we also put oxygen inside.
No, we cannot. It's so intense.
So concentrated.
We are back. We already mix it, and there's a lot of bubble inside.
Yeah, we want a lot of foam. That's a good sign because we have oxygen now inside. When you start your brew, you need oxygen.
Okay,
And
why?
I need a haircut.
Why you need oxygen?
The yeasts need to in the start oxygen to start, grow a big colony. So
Really? Okay. Okay,
Yes.
I thought only
in the beginning,
carbon dioxide. Okay, the release.
they producing CO2.
They
then.
produce CO2. Okay.
So
no.
okay, what we need to do now is again finding out what gravity we have.
Hopefully it will be 18 degree. 18.
Is it-
15% alcohol.
Is it too much? We need to change the yeast. The yeast just can make 13%.
Ah,
We have
this is so sad.
almost 3 liter.
The cherry wine I tasted last Thursday, it's more brighter. Yeah, it's more bright red.
Okay, it's floating already. I think we need to put more honey.
Why?
Oh, okay. I just thought. Perfect.
What?
The gravity is perfect. I will explain in a moment.
Because not 18% alcohol.
No, we're just taking 13. You will like it.
And the one I make last time, it's almost, I already drink everything. It's just one glass. It's just one small glass. It's one just a small bottle.
Okay. You want to read?
No.
1.110.
Okay.
And I said perfect because I wanted to have 1.110. So when the yeast works good, it's producing 13% alcohol,
Here's 13%.
and we will back sweet it then. So that's the idea. So we can back sweet it then without re-fermenting.
Okay.
So we will just do this. We now put the yeast in a moment, but we put the yeast when it's inside the fermenter. We will put the yeast. We will wait until the yeast is done. We think it's done. And then we will put more honey. The idea is to make it complete dry. Then we put honey and sweet.
Sweet.
We will put honey at the level we like it. Oh, really sweet.
Yeah. No, why you need more honey when it's so sweet already?
It's because there is no sugar inside anymore when the yeast is done.
What I will do?
So my wife will put 1 teaspoon of the yeast inside.
1 teaspoon.
One
Not
teaspoon.
everything.
Not everything. It's good for, I think, 50 liter.
25 to
25
30
liter.
liter.
Okay, 25 to 30. We make 3. So 1 teaspoon is enough.
Maybe 1 teaspoon is a lot.
You can't put too much yeast,
Pretty.
just too low. Pretty. So now I need to be careful.
It will really.
I want all the juice, not all the foam. So, just a mess. Did you know what one of the problem is? Maybe this one make a blowout.
Yeah, surely.
Whenever you have a lot of foam or not enough headspace and you think it will blow over when the yeast start, put just your rubber, your silicone bung, and then you need to tube. This one is from my auto siphon. It was too long, I cut it. And I have one more because now my auto siphon is kaput. It's broken. And then on the other side, you put it just in a glass of water.
Okay.
So now the oxygen as a CO2 can go out. Nothing can go inside because a lot of water. And if foam or wine get without, it also go just in the water and not in your apartment.
Good.
Good. The problem is it needs a lot of space. But that's okay.
Yes.
So we're done.
Okay.
Like this, it will be go in the cabinet.
And we will wait for how many weeks?
I think 2 weeks, maybe then we can try.
Yes. Okay.
Or in 2 weeks we can see if it's done. And we can try. But I don't know. The temperature depends also on the temperature. Maybe the next days will be warm, then it will ferment a little bit faster. So, simple, easy,
Yes. Fast.
fast, and just the beginning. So the next time we see us back, and we will back sweet it, and then we will see
We will see
if you like it.
Yeah, if I like it or
And then it needs time.
needs time. Like the last time. It's
Half year.
Half
Yours
year.
was half years old, the other
Yeah.
one was 1 year old.
Yes.
So, yes. Okay. If you like the video, thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe. And here are 2 more videos. One YouTube thing you will like, and the other one is the last video we make. Our tasting video. So, okay. We see you the next time. Bye.